I seriously enjoy watching this judge. His sarcasm is absolutely hilarious, and honestly, it's the perfect way to deal with these sovereign citizen clowns. You can literally see them start to unravel the moment he throws their own nonsense right back at them. It's comedy gold. I'll be posting the second half of that guy's hearing tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned because it gets even crazier. But for now, I've got another hearing for you, and this one is somehow even more ridiculous. Yep, another sovereign citizen, and this guy is completely off his rocker. Let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and
More?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I'm here on special representation.
Same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My Honor, I'm asking
Okay.
what is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
So, deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your
So,
nationality.
he has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant. And they're different warrant numbers. Okay. So I guess I do both sets. Let's see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States. And so, what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States.
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the warrant.
I'm asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know his nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, find out.
Is he deputy?
Status of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the courtroom.
Is he injured? Is that why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think it's just a
I genuinely can't tell if this guy is pretending to be mentally ill for the court, or if he's actually a complete nutcase. Honestly, it might be both. Like the deputy said, I have no idea what he thinks he's accomplishing by insisting. His name isn't more. Does he really believe the judge is just going to throw up her hands and let him walk out of the courtroom? It makes zero sense that at this point. I honestly think judges should just end these hearings the moment these guys start pulling the I don't consent nonsense, or hold him in contempt for being so obviously disingenuous. He's just wasting everyone's time and turning the legal system into a joke. What do you guys think? Should judges crack down harder on this kind of behavior? Alright.
Can you provide me with the information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My Honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said be quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
U.S. citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right. So y'all just go ahead and take him back. I'll just go ahead and put him on. Y'all take him.
Feet up. Move your feet.
The court to be a jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, might want to
Court to be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenge the jurisdiction of the court because I am not what they say that I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything should be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
Hey, let me get 2 for 12 seconds.
Let that know. I am challenging the jurisdiction.
After that last scene, I'm convinced this guy might actually be mentally ill. There are sovereign citizens who play dumb and recycle the usual script, but this guy is on a whole different level. It's almost like he's auditioning for a bad reality show. How do you even argue with someone who doesn't believe basic laws apply to them? And honestly, this judge has the patience of a saint. I don't know how she doesn't just slam the gavel and shut it down. I also feel like these Zoom court hearings are a huge advantage for sovereign citizens. They can talk over the judge, rant about their made-up laws, and avoid the normal courtroom pressure that might actually make them behave. I seriously don't understand how they think. Just saying I don't consent magically makes laws disappear. Like, do they think if they get pulled over for speeding and say they don't consent to the ticket, it just vanishes? It's laughable. These fake legal theories have been debunked over and over again. But somehow they keep doubling down like it's going to work one day. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. I'll post the second half of that first clip tomorrow. Let me know in the comments what you think about Zoom court hearings. Are courts being too lenient? And do you think these guys are faking it, or are they actually dealing with serious mental health issues? If you enjoy content like this and want more real courtroom moments, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.